Clean, great-tasting drinking water has become a priority for many households looking to reduce bottled water costs and improve everyday hydration. Brita water filters remain one of the most trusted solutions thanks to their affordability, convenience, and proven filtration performance. In this guide, we evaluate the best Brita water filters based on filtration capability, contaminant reduction, filter lifespan, pitcher design, ease of use.
Product number 1. Brita Plus Replacement Water Filter for Pitchers and Dispensers, 3 filters. The Brita Plus Replacement Water Filter is an excellent upgrade for anyone who wants cleaner, fresher-tasting water without replacing their existing Brita pitcher or dispenser. Unlike the standard Brita filter, the Brita Plus model reduces up to twice as many contaminants, helping remove chlorine taste and odor while also reducing zinc, copper, mercury, and other impurities. Certified by WQA under NSF/ANSF standards, it delivers dependable filtration that many families trust every day. Installation takes only a few seconds, making filter replacement quick and hassle-free. Each filter lasts approximately 2 months under normal household use, providing consistent water quality throughout its lifespan. The pack includes 3 filters, offering up to 6 months of clean drinking water before another purchase is needed. If you already own a compatible Brita pitcher or dispenser and want improved filtration performance, the Brita Plus replacement filter offers an outstanding balance of effectiveness, convenience, and long-term value.
Product number 2. Brita Large 10-Cup Water Filter Pitcher with Brita Plus Filter. The Brita Large 10-Cup Water Filter Pitcher is ideal for medium to large households that consume plenty of drinking water every day. Its generous 10-cup capacity minimizes frequent refills while fitting comfortably inside most refrigerator doors. The included Brita Plus filter immediately delivers enhanced filtration by reducing twice as many contaminants compared to standard Brita filters. The Easy Fill locking lid allows quick refilling without removing the top cover, making daily use convenient. An electronic smart light filter indicator helps track filter life so you always know when it's time for a replacement. Constructed from BPA-free materials, the pitcher is lightweight yet durable enough for everyday use. Whether you're filling water bottles, making coffee, or preparing meals, this pitcher consistently provides cleaner, better-tasting water. For families seeking convenience, capacity, and improved filtration performance, this Brita pitcher is one of the strongest choices available.
Product number 3. Brita Standard Water Filter for Pitchers and Dispensers. The Brita Standard Water Filter remains one of the most affordable and widely used replacement filters available. Designed for compatibility with most Brita pitchers and dispensers, it effectively reduces chlorine taste and odor while filtering copper, cadmium, mercury, and other common impurities. Each filter lasts around 2 months or approximately 40 gallons, making routine replacement simple and affordable. Installation requires no special tools, and the compact design ensures a secure fit inside compatible Brita systems. Although it doesn't remove as many contaminants as the Brita Plus or Elite versions, it still provides a noticeable improvement in water taste while helping reduce plastic bottle waste. It's an excellent choice for budget-conscious households that simply want reliable everyday filtration. Overall, the standard Brita filter continues to offer excellent value and dependable performance for basic water purification needs.
Product number 4. Brita Metro 6-Cup Elite Water Filter Pitcher. The Brita Metro 6-Cup Elite Pitcher is designed for individuals, couples, dorm rooms, apartments, and smaller kitchens. Despite its compact footprint, it includes the premium Elite filter, capable of reducing 99% of lead, along with many additional contaminants. Its slim design easily fits inside refrigerator doors while taking up minimal counter space. The Easy Fill locking lid allows one-handed refilling, making daily use extremely convenient. A built-in smart light indicator reminds users when the Elite filter needs replacing. The BPA-free construction ensures safety while maintaining durability for everyday use. Thanks to the Elite filter's longer lifespan and advanced filtration technology, users enjoy cleaner, better-tasting water with fewer filter changes throughout the year. If space is limited, but filtration performance is a priority, the Metro Elite Pitcher delivers exceptional value.
Product number 5. Brita Elite Water Filter Replacement.
The Brita Elite Water Filter Replacement represents Brita's highest-performing replacement filter. Certified to reduce 99% of lead, it also targets chlorine, mercury, cadmium, asbestos, benzene, and numerous additional contaminants that standard filters cannot address as effectively.
One of its biggest advantages is longevity. Each Elite filter lasts up to 6 months or 120 gallons, dramatically reducing replacement frequency and long-term maintenance costs. Installation remains as easy as other Brita filters, requiring only a quick rinse before use. The improved filtration media maintains excellent water flow while consistently delivering crisp, refreshing drinking water. Although it costs more upfront than standard Brita filters, the longer lifespan and superior contaminant reduction often make it the better long-term investment for health-conscious households. For users seeking maximum filtration performance, the Brita Elite filter stands out as the best replacement option available. Removes 99% of lead, lasts 6 months, excellent contaminant reduction, cost-effective over time, great water taste.
Product number 6. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Although not a Brita product, the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter deserves mention for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. Designed specifically for hiking, camping, backpacking, travel, and survival situations, LifeStraw filters bacteria, parasites, and microplastics directly from natural water sources. Unlike Brita pitchers intended for household tap water, LifeStraw is engineered for untreated lakes, rivers, and streams. It requires no batteries, chemicals, or electricity, making it invaluable during emergencies or outdoor adventures. Each LifeStraw filters up to 4,000 liters, approximately 1,000 gallons, offering exceptional longevity. The lightweight design fits easily into backpacks or emergency kits. While it's not designed for everyday kitchen use, it's one of the most trusted portable water filtration devices available and an excellent backup for emergencies. Ideal for camping and hiking, removes bacteria and parasites, extremely lightweight, no electricity required, long lifespan.